For the past 24 years, the Cebu North Bus Terminal was operated by the Cebu City Government in partnership with the Mandaue City Government that provided the facility's location in Barangay Subang Dako. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic, where community quarantine and its accompanying travel restrictions imposed led to the closure of the terminal. When restrictions were slowly eased, buses plying northern Cebu routes were temporarily stationed in the town of Consolacion. This went on until this month. The contract between the Cebu City Government and Mandaue City Government will expire a few days from today. Now, a new exciting chapter awaits the commuters of northern Cebu as the Cebu Provincial Government takes over the management of the Cebu North Bus Terminal. This new chapter is ushered by Governor Gwendolyn Garcia, who took the responsibility of providing a safe and convenient commuter service to her constituents in the northern towns and cities in Cebu Province, together with the kind hearts of SM Prime Holdings Incorporated, led by Senior Vice President Marisa Fernan, who agreed to accommodate the terminal. This partnership brings northern Cebu's riding public right at the center of Metro Cebu, as the new North Bus Terminal will now be located in SM City Cebu. The new terminal will bring a more accessible and convenient travel experience to thousands of commuters in northern Cebu, residents and tourists alike. And with the capital's years of experience in effectively managing the Cebu South Bus Terminal, it's about time for northern Cebu constituents to have a taste of the brand of service fit for a premier province. Today, we mark the soft opening of this terminal in its new location. The province of Cebu and SM Prime Holdings Incorporated will sign an agreement that will allow the province to establish the improved transportation hub as we all take off to a better normal in the transport services for northern Cebu.